Hello everyone, hope you are all doing well. In this video, I am going to discuss one of the important concepts from the verbal reasoning, which is important for all type of competitive examination. That is the blood relations. Without wasting time, let's directly start the video. So the one who appears for competitive exam should have a good understanding about the blood relations in order to answer any questions that is related to blood relations. To remember these relations easily, relation may be divided into two sides. They are paternal side and maternal side. Relations from paternal side means that relation to father or his side. Maternal side relations means it's with respect to mother and her family. At first, let us consider relations of paternal side. So when we have father's father, so that person is related to us, his relation is grandfather. And when we have father's mother, she is grandmother. And when we have father's brother, he may be younger brother or elder brother of father, he is uncle. Grandfather's son. So grandfather here means it's father's father. So whenever we tell about grandfather's son, that person can be father or uncle. Grandfather's only son means father. So you should note that grandfather's only son is father. Or if it is told like grandmother's son, can be father or uncle. Grandmother's only son implies he is father. Father's sister. So how father's sister is related to us? Okay, she is called aunt. Children of uncle. So uncle is father's brother. Now father's brother's children. Okay. So it is cousin. Children of uncle is cousin. Wife of uncle is aunt. Children of aunt, it's cousin. So children of aunt or uncle is cousin. Husband of aunt is uncle. Then coming to sister's husband. If I or you have a sister, her husband is called as brother-in-law. Then wife's brother is brother-in-law. If you have a brother, if I or you have a brother and that brother is having a son, he is nephew. Brother's wife is sister-in-law. Brother's daughter is niece. Brother's son is nephew. Brother's daughter is niece. Then grandson's or granddaughter's daughter, she is granddaughter. Mother's or father's son or daughter is brother or sister. If my father and mother is having a son, then he is my brother. If my father and mother is having a daughter, then she is my sister. Son's wife is daughter-in-law. Next, consider the relations from mother's side. Mother's father is maternal grandfather. Mother's mother is maternal grandmother. Then if mother has a brother, he may be younger brother or elder brother of mother, he is maternal uncle. Mother's sister is aunt. Children of maternal uncle are cousins. Wife of maternal uncle is maternal aunt. Then the other relations you have to note is children of same parents. They are siblings. Means if my parents have son or daughter other than me, okay, they are my siblings. Then common terms that is used for husband and wife is spouse. You should remember all these relationships from paternal side as well as maternal side. Then you should develop a family relationship tree. In order to develop this family relationship tree, certain symbols are used. So with the use of those symbols, development of family relationship tree becomes very easy. So once you write the family relationship tree, you can easily answer any questions related to blood relations in your examination without any difficulty. Now let us see how you can develop a family relationship tree. Before developing relationship tree, let us see what are the symbols that is used to develop this family relationship tree. Now suppose M is male. You write plus sign to indicate male. So it is plus M. Suppose N is female. We will use a negative sign to represent female. So minus N. Then when M and N are married to each other, we will use the symbol M equals N. Right? P and Q are siblings. So I'll write P and Q. Then write an arrow like this between P and Q to tell that they are siblings. Next, suppose if A is child of B, means B is parent here. So I'll write B at the top. A is child of this B. So I'll write A at the bottom. Then indicate an arrow mark from B to A. So this tells us that A is child of B. Here I'm not speaking anything about the gender. Now say suppose it is told that A is son of B. Then I can write plus A. Okay. Suppose if A is daughter of B, then I can write minus A here. So this minus A means A is daughter of B. So like this you have to consider. Then next case you consider when A has two children B and C. So it's A having two children. So write A, then I write B and C and put arrow mark like this. So this tells B and C are children of A. So these are the symbols that you should use. For male you write plus sign, for female you write minus sign. When A and B or M and N are married to each other, you write an equal symbol between them. Whenever you have two siblings, put an arrow mark in between them, which is both should be written on the same line. Then if A is child of B, then you write B on the top, A in the bottom, put an arrow mark. When A has two children B and C, you should write the relation like this. Now you know different relations and the symbols that are used to identify these relations. Okay. Now considering these two facts, how we can draw a family tree. Let us see a few points on how to draw a family tree. In the first step, you have to identify males and females. Then, according to generation, put each member at the appropriate position in the tree. Okay. So first you have to identify male and female according to the question that is given to you. Then you have to arrange them according to the generation. Means at first you should be writing your grandparents' generation, followed by parents, then followed by us, means I'll write me. Then if we have any children, okay, theirs, followed by their children. Like that we have to continue. So according to the generation, I should draw the tree. Step 2 is to draw the diagram with relationships among family members using notations. Means if I have any siblings, okay, right, I should use an arrow mark like this and I should mention them. Okay. So using these notations, I should be completing the family tree. So once this diagram is filled, you can answer the given questions. So in order to understand this technique better, let me consider a few examples. Consider first question. X and Y are brothers. C and D are sisters. X's son is D's brother. How is Y related to C? This is the question. And you have four options. A, uncle. B, grandfather. C, father. D, none of the above. Again, go through the questions. X and Y are brothers. C and D are sisters. So somewhere we have X and Y, they are brothers. C and D, they are sisters. X's son is D's brother. Okay. So this you can consider C and D belong to the next generation. Okay. So how is Y related to C? So from the given question, we can make out who is male, who is female, and we can identify them. So now considering all these factors, let us try to draw the family relationship tree. In the first sentence of the question, they have given X and Y are brothers. Means this X and Y belong to the same generation. So I should be writing them in one line. Then I should be writing an arrow mark. Now you know in the question it is told that X and Y are brothers. Means they are male. So I should write plus X plus Y. Second, they have given C and D are sisters. So I'll write C and D. They are sisters. They are female. So it is minus C and minus D. Next, they have given X's son is D's brother. So D's brother is X's son. So I'll just reverse this. Okay. Minus D and minus C I'll write. So you just write minus D and minus D because C and D are sisters. So now they have told X's son is D's brother. D's brother means they belong to same generation. So it is X's son. Son means male, so it is plus X. So X's son, so I should write arrow mark like this. Now the question is, how is Y related to C? Let's try to answer this considering this family. Now from this family tree, we can make out that X's son, D and C are siblings. Y is brother of X. So what we can conclude? So we can conclude that Y is uncle of C. That's because Y is uncle to X son. So since X, D, C are siblings, Y is uncle of C. Therefore the correct answer here is option A, uncle. Consider second question. E is the son of A. D is the son of E is married to C. C is the daughter of B. Then how D is related to E? Option A, brother. Option B, uncle. Option C, father-in-law. Option D, brother-in-law. Go through the question again. Then let us draw the family tree considering the statements that is given in the question. From the question, they have given us E is son of A. So you can write A to E. Since E is son, I should write plus E. Then they have given D is son of B. So similarly they have given C is daughter of B. E is married to C. E is married to C means I should write E is equal to C. Since E is male, C is female. So it is minus C. Also they have given C is daughter of B. So B has a daughter that is C and B has a son that D. So plus D. So the family tree is complete now. Again you can see E is son of A. I have represented plus E. D is son of B. So D is son of B. C is daughter of B. E and C are married to each other. Question is, how is D related to E? So we have E here and we have D here. So now from this family tree, you know C and D are siblings. To be specific, I can tell D is brother of C. Now the question is how D is related to E. So now for E, D is brother of wife. So, wife's brother is nothing but brother-in-law. And therefore, D is brother-in-law of E. Therefore, right answer is option D. Moving on to question number 3. Pointing to a woman in a picture, Amit said, her granddaughter is the only daughter of my brother. How is the woman related to Amit? Option A, sister. Option B, grandmother. Option C, mother-in-law. Option D, mother. Go to the question again carefully. So Amit is pointing a woman in the picture. Okay. So consider this woman in picture. And he is telling that her granddaughter is only daughter of my brother. So only daughter means his brother is having only a daughter who is granddaughter. Okay. So after woman it is brother. Okay. So brother of Amit I should write. Because woman is having a granddaughter, right? It is the next generation. So in between we have Amit's brother. Okay. Then it is granddaughter. So seems like the family tree is complete. Just look, pointing to woman in picture, Amit said, her granddaughter is only daughter of my brother. Okay. So only daughter of Amit's brother. Now the question is, how this woman is related to Amit? Since the woman is mother of brother of Amit, woman is mother of Amit. So therefore, the right answer here is option D, mother. Question number 4. X and Y are siblings. C and D are wife and husband, respectively. X is the only son of C. F is the sister of D. How is Y related to F? Option A, niece. Option B, nephew. Option C, uncle. Option D, cousin. X and Y are siblings. C and D are wife and husband. X is only son of C. Okay. So C, D are the first generation. X and Y are the next generation. So I can write C equals D because they are husband and wife. Okay. They told C and D are wife and husband. So C is wife minus D is husband. So it is plus D. X and Y are siblings where you have X is the only son of C. So son of C is X. So it is plus X. They have told X and Y are siblings. F is the sister of D. So here sister. So it is minus F. Now the question is, how is Y related to F? In the question, if you look carefully, they have given X is the only son of C. Also, they have given X and Y are siblings. So, from these two statements, we can tell that Y is female. Why is that? It's because X is the only son. But this X and Y are siblings, right? So, it means that Y is female. So, I should be writing minus Y here. Now, by looking into the family tree, for F, Y is daughter of brother. So, brother's daughter. What is the relation? Brother's daughter is niece. Therefore, how Y is related to F, right? So, Y is niece of F. So, therefore, the right answer here is option A, niece. Here is question number 5. Introducing a woman, Namrata said, "She is the daughter-in-law of the grandmother of my father's only son." How is the woman related to Namrata? Option A, grandmother. Option B, sister-in-law. Option C, sister. Option D, mother. This question is for you to solve to check your understanding. Let me know your answers in the comment section below. I hope you will find this video helpful. If so, please do like and share this video among your family and friends. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and do not forget to press the bell icon to get notified about the upcoming videos. I'll meet you in my next video with a new topic. Thank you for watching. Stay connected, keep learning, take care, bye bye.